Hey everybody, it's I Want2Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at running n8n workflow automation in Docker. To get started, log into the device where we're going to install Docker. First, we'll install a few prerequisite packages required to install Docker. Then we'll add the Docker GPG key and apt repository. And install Docker, Docker Compose, and Containerd. With Docker installed, we'll start and enable the Docker service, add the current user to the Docker group, and re-authenticate the current user for the group changes to take effect. Docker is now installed and running. Now let's run the n8n containers. We'll start by creating working directories for n8n and MariaDB, then set ownership of the new working directories. We'll use the docker run command to start the MariaDB container, and finally docker run to start the n8n container. With both containers up and running, launch a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the Docker host, /5678. Complete the form to set up an owner account by entering an email address, first name, last name, and password. Then click Next to continue. Complete the questionnaire, then click Continue. Welcome to n8n workflow automation, running containerized inside Docker.